Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I'm going to use my air fryer for the first time to make some brats. So, I brought it down to the community room where I can use it and not have to worry about electricity. So, we're using Johnsonville Brats. They were on sale at Quick Trip. So, I bought 2 packs, and I'm gonna make both packs just so they're done and I can put them in the freezer or fridge, whatever. So, first of all, we're gonna pull this out, and it is new to me, but is used. I've cleaned it and everything. So this is gonna be probably a little bit longer video because I'm not used to using this thing, so it's gonna take me a bit. And so it says on the instructions what I put up here from off the internet, it says arrange the brats, so that's what we're going to do. Put them in here. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to have to do 2 rounds of these just to make both containers, but I'm only going to show you the first one. You don't need to see it repeated. I'm trying to make room for all of them. Alright, so we got them all in there. There we go. And it says air fry on 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to go 15. So, I'm going to set, find out where the, okay, there it is. 350, so it doesn't have a marking for 350, it's 320 or 360. So I'm going to shoot it in the middle of that. And for, I'm going to do 20 minutes, so we're going to give it a few minutes to heat up. I did bring some tongs because it says to flip halfway through. So we got some of those. And I brought a piece of Hawaiian bread down so I can do a taste test afterwards. So, and some pot holders because I'm going to have to take this and put it in the box that's down here. So I don't know if it's going to be hot on the outside because, like I said, it's new to me. So I've got the pot holders just in case. And I have to take it back upstairs. So, like I said, this is new. Some friends of mine moved and they had gotten a new, brand new one, all digital. It's actually pretty cool looking. And they gave me their old one. So I'm grateful though because I didn't have an air fryer and I got it for free, so I didn't have to go and buy it. Yeah, so we're almost to the heating part. Oh, actually, they were in there. Shoot. First mistake. When you have to heat it up, don't put the brats in there. It said on the box no heating, but it's got a heating button, light, so I don't know. Like I said, it's new. We're going to have to flip it about halfway through. So I will bring you back about halfway through to show you what it looks like. Alright? Back in a bit. Okay, it's time to flip them. I started to flip it before I realized that I wanted to record it. So that's what they look like. They are starting to brown. So I'm going to flip them over. Alright, it's easier for me to do it there. I'm trying to work with the shape of them in here. They are not working so well. Alright, come on. Okay, there we go. Alright. Okay, this is the part that I can't figure out. There we go. It will go in there and then it won't go. So, I don't know. The stopper, the timer is supposed to stop, but it didn't, so it might have to go a little bit longer to brown them, but I didn't take too long, I guess. And I put them on for an extra 5 minutes anyway, so hopefully they will be done by the time they say they do, or they will. English is not my language today, I guess. So I'm having problems with my knee. So I'm in the chair tonight down here. Standing was just a little too much. So yeah, hopefully we'll get this done. I will bring you back when the timer says it's supposedly done, and we'll see if it is. All right. All right. It's smelling really good in here. Okay, we're back to take them out. It's got a few more minutes, but I already put them on there for another 5 because I thought I had to heat it up, even though it didn't say that it needed to be reheated. So we're gonna take this out, and I'll show you what they look like. They look really good. Check that out. Hopefully you can see them. I'm gonna put them on a paper plate over here, and then I will put in the next batch. But while that's going, I will taste test one for you. So we're gonna put this batch in real quick. I'm gonna stand up. I'm in pain. It's easier to put in. Alright, so the next batch is in. And I don't have to slam it. I found that out. Alright, so we're going to put them on for 16. We're going to let those go. So I am going to take the napkin because I was touching the wrong ones. I've got my Hawaiian bread that's from the Brat. And we're going to try a Brat. It says to let them rest for 5 minutes, but that's probably just to make sure it's cool so you don't burn your mouth. Ow. Don't stick your finger in that little round hole because you can get stuck in there. Just did that. So here's the Brat. I didn't bring in ketchup or anything. I usually have ketchup on them. But just for the taste test to see what the Brat tastes like by itself, seeing that this is my first time using the air fryer. I think it's got really nice color on it. It's really good brown. The other side is, can I do that without dumping it? Is just as brown. It could be a little bit browner there, but it could be operator error. But it looks done. Nothing's pink. So here we go. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Really hot. Silly me, I didn't bring anything to drink. Okay, I think the 5 minutes is to make it cool down so you can eat it because that was really hot, but very good. This is gonna change the way I can do some things. So I still will be canning some brats, but I can also have some fresh. Well, it's not like fresh vegetables. Anyways, I can cook them in the air fryer. These are gonna be split up into some baggies once they cool off, and I'll put some in the fridge and some in the freezer. So all I have to do is warm them up. I don't think I'll use the air fryer just to warm them up, but definitely it's a way to cook things. Like I said, this is the first time I've used it at all, so brand new to this thing. I've been looking up some recipes as I think of things that I would like to make. But it does put off some heat into the room. So I'm down here in the community room, and I'm pretty warm. So anyways, that's the way it is. They look amazing. Hopefully you can see this. They are extremely hot. Not spicy, but temperature hot. They are really, really hot. So I'm just going to cook up the rest of these, and then to take it upstairs, I'm just going to throw all of them into the basket in there, and then put this in the box so I can safely take it up without getting because this is a little warm. So I thought ahead and brought the box and some pot holders. So in case it was, I'm gonna put the box. I put this into the box that it came in. And this is the information about it. If you're interested, hopefully you can see this. It's for bearware, whatever. So this is the one. It serves 2 to 3 people, I guess. And so yeah, this is what I got from my friends for free. So I'm very thankful. It just didn't come with any information about it to use it or anything. So this is what I'm going to put it back into after I'm done. Please excuse my reach there. Sorry about putting that right in front of the camera. But anyways, once these are done, I'm going to put all the brats in there, and then put this into the box and take it upstairs. So that way it's upstairs. And then because it's still going to be warm, I'll take it out of the box and take the brats, let them cool off before I put them into bags and push them out. And then I'll leave this to cool on the counter. And once it's cool, I'm washing it out and then putting it back in its box for right now. So there you go. That's what I got as an air fryer from a friend, and what I decided to make with it for the first time. I'm excited to use it, especially if I can use it down here, where I can use the electricity down here. I don't have to worry about it in my apartment, and I don't have to worry about the heat also adding to the apartment heat. But yeah, definitely, it's pretty easy going. So as long as I get some good directions off the internet to make some things, I will probably be making some more. And when I do make some more things in it, I will definitely record it for all of you. Thank you for hanging around. Hopefully this video is pretty good with not cutting off my head or things like that, except for the box passing the camera. Sorry about that. And hopefully the audio is pretty good. I am downstairs. There's lots of vents and things with the air conditioning and things like that. So hopefully the audio is good. And yeah, so all right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.